A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Police, they caught. So you not see anybody when they work out, you just tap on for a phone saying that when you not see and sit down, you not see and see anything, you just carry on straight to prison. That's the same way they do the work. If you have protest on this one, I'm not using a sense so. But there's a bomb of balance. I bet I'm not do it to share this video, it go help us. This Curtis, this kidnapping issue, police, they go use and build duplex, not be even down house again. I believe, say, man, if you be Curtis, they search your phone, say you don't fake bad person, you go really go for it. Not be person because he did something, not be everybody when did something, be news on inside the thing where they did, not be everybody not get sense inside. Not be because you just search person for, you see and say na Curtis, you start to be threatening her because our governor now don't pass on to law, say, if you be Curtis, you go prison. Inside that police, I will say 70% or 60% of policemen join something for this Nigeria. Join something for this Nigeria.
Alright, my core people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and where for you to watch this video from. Yeah, so this narrative latest TV, I don't come again to give another update to the trend for the whole of Edo State. As they make viral, as they go banger for inside the state. So don't be smart in my core people, and I know say this past few days now we be saying Monday Okpebholo and the boys that they enter the whole of this Benin, they follow up on this insecurity wahala, this banditry and this kidnapping they saw for the states. They don't make sure say yes that they tackle these people then down. Governor Monday Okpebholo now with the law we don't pass, say if you be cultists, if you be kidnapper, if you be bandit, say if they catch you, they go prosecute you for the special court where he creates, and if you're found guilty, say they go execute you on the spot for inside Ring Road. Let be smart, you know, this particular issue now don't cause so many wahala. For us be say Edo State youth now don't come out they cry, you say most of the times say no be cultism, no be kidnappers, no be bandits, so it be say these police people they define. So now young youth waiting for road, most of them say they be victim of all these cases that they say they go they innocent and police go they accuse them to be waiting, they no be. Now the particular issue now where they trend for the whole of Edo State as they say so many people now they come out they cry, they talk will say you know make sense. Say this special task force so say Governor Monday Okpebholo yeah sign for say Edo State, may they see try, may they make sure say them do the better investigation, background check before they begin to issue any arrest for anybody. May no go catch innocent people, come prosecute them for what they no sabi. My current people that was so much I will probably play video for them gonna watch exactly I think they go raid like this way they saw for the whole of Benin. Most people they thought say you know that na actual people, kidnappers, bandits they catch. I been just innocent people where they go about their day, they can fall victim for this whole issue. So don't forget to drop a comment for the comment section. Just say anything you want to go out of the matter. To come again next
you
time,
see,
watch
this new special security squad formed by the Senator Monday Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State. Please, guys, make sure una dey very sure of the youth you guys are raiding against cultism and kidnapping. Please, you guys should make sure before you raid the youth from the state. When you guys heard the youth, some of the youth has a gathering, make una dey very sure before you guys go there to apprehend them, make una dey very sure say they are cultism or they are kidnapping for it. Because recently I saw a video of you guys catching some youth, some men, 12 of them. You guys say they are member suspected cultism. They are having a meeting somewhere, and when I went there, you guys went there to pick them up. Bro, I take my time to observe these men. Deep inside me, I will say I don't see this guy as all these boys as cultism. For real. Before una come here say people, some men they gather. Make una make sure you guys una go into details to know if they are truly cultists or cultism, if they are member of confraternity. Before una go raid them, I beg, make una no go end up, go they carry the innocent youth of the state, send them to prison or move them, buy them. Please, See, the new security formed by the Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State, you guys have been working. You guys have been doing an amazing job in the state. You guys have tried as in, una don't try to make sure una restore peace for the make time now for the state. The youth, they are not fighting themselves. They are not killing themselves for the now. You guys are doing an amazing job. But please, make sure, say, una dey very sure of the youth when una dey carry. Because everybody cannot just be a cortex. Una hear some boys that sit down in a beer parlor, in a number of boys, say 1, 2, 3, 4 people sit down, that they drink, they are just having a discussion. It doesn't make them a cortex. Before una go rape them, una not go end up because of saying una hear say boys they gather for one corner, una go park them. Before you knew it, they send them to prison. Say they are suspected courtesan. You can't just suspect everybody for the state being a cortex. Please, because this recent video, so they said the community you guys rate them, say the housing issue for the community from Odion Way to the community chairman and all that. Please, because I saw these men from deep inside me, I did see these guys as courtesan. I know. See, you guys say they are suspected, not cortex, but why put it then on camera? Why video them? Why una they catch them like this? Why una they asking the way you guys caught them is they look like hard criminals. See, I will appreciate you guys for your great job for the state. You guys are doing an amazing job. You guys are doing a wonderful job to make sure that the peace, the youth, they are peace in themselves, with themselves. The state is peace. No more buying of the youth for a couple of times now. The state, don't they come? I'm talking about Edo State. The Benin city, our capital city, is calm now. Because of a great job. What they do for all this while. The governor of Edo State, I will thank you once again. You are doing a great job. You are the best governor for the full country at this point. For you to feel restore peace for our state, you deserve more than what you are getting now. We should all come out to appreciate you, Governor Monday Okpebholo. God will bless you and bless every of your advisor, your workers, every one of you. Making sure that you restore peace in that state. No more killings for the now. The youth, they are calm now. The state is, it's sweet now. We went there, brother. We physically come down, sit down, see our loved ones. We just say we know they dodge the waka. But inside their mouth, they on guard. Don't do. You guys are doing an amazing job. The special security guide from the state. But make una not go end up, go pack all the old boys, say they go prison. Because the normal day, as a youth, men sit down for one bar or for one corner, have conversation. Everything cannot just be cortex. Every gathering for the state cannot just be a cortex gathering or a kidnapping gathering. But I know say the state, the city, a lot of youth for the state, they are doing nonsense. Kidnapping innocent people, robbing people, stealing things here and there, and courtesans, they are doing their own too. Buying themselves here and there also. Please, you guys are doing a great job. I appreciate this. A lot of us, we do appreciate this. But please, make una dey very sure with the boys una they go pick up. Make una do proper investigation. Investigate them well. Be sure of this. Be sure, very, very sure. Say the youth you are going for, where they sit down, say, now courtesan that they do there. They are having a meeting of discussing about courtesan, how to cause nuisance for the state. Before you guys go there to apprehend them. Because this recent arrest you guys just made a few days ago, I saw the video, but I have watched this video a couple of times. I did see this man as courtesan. Just as you guys said, this community, they have been having issue for a long time now. From the John Way to the community chairman and others. But I beg, make una not go end up pack everybody for the full state, put them for prison, or buy some of them. Make una dey very sure of the people who una dey carry. When una not go end up go carry person when we say they on you, they live life. One man will just come, one guy just will talk say because he has belle for the person, he could just point and say that guy is a member of so cottage and he has become community saying, doing nuisance for the state. And now go there, go carry the person before you know when they hang out for Ring Road. They do one kind. Please, guys. I see you guys are not kids. You guys are the grown-up men. I also see you guys as a family man. I beg, make una not go carry on other people, children, go put for prison or buy them. Because this recent raid when I just do so, for me, as from just for me, I'm not seeing those guys as cortics. Please. As for the Senator Monday Okpebholo, Excellency, you are doing a great job. Please, sir. Also make sure you speak to this your security, new-founded security for the state. They are restoring peace. That we appreciate it. We love it. They are doing a great job. Please talk to them. Make them not go carry innocent people. Go put for prison or go carry go court. At the end of the day, the judge comes to give a final and make them discharge them. Make them waste them. Please. Because everybody for the state cannot just be a courtesan at once. It's not possible like that. Jews, they. A lot of Jews, when they see the phone want to say they not be anything, they are just living their lives. Youth still gather since the state don't see they are peace now. Youth can also sit there in the beer parlor or a corner of the somewhere for the town. They have discussion. Maybe they are talking about business. Or how they will take get them. Since the state on the day calm now, the city is calm now. How to build their life. Every gathering cannot be a courtesan gathering. Every say you see one or two men sit down for the state, another person will just call you and say, make una quick come or say me some boys they are having meeting now. Now courtesan they be. It can't just be like that. Make una do the major una do proper investigation before raiding people, before putting them on camera. And if not, see, you guys should be major una dey assured of this. When I not go carry innocent people put for prison, bro. See, don't do. I will say it once again. You guys are doing a great job. You guys are doing an amazing job for the state. God bless you all, and may the Lord give you guys the strength to continue this. To peace will forever stay in that state, Edo State. We love this, and we dey get joy. Say last, our state don't see they are peace now. The Benin City, our city, men enjoy don't they now. Men see they do their thing without saying they don't they get issue. No this and that. We appreciate this, but I beg, security guide, I be security form. Make una not go use innocent people. They can't scores, waste them because una don't forget one or two for inside belle or person just carry call una say so people they are hungry. They can't go waste them. Please. Be sure of which one they do. Because this recent video, when it just happened, this raid, you worry mind one kind. I didn't see them as courtesan. So bro, don't joke. Maybe we try apply wisdom.
Police they when they caught. So you not see anybody when they walk out, you just tap on for a phone saying that when you not see and see gun, you not see anything, you just carry on straight to prison. Now so the same one they do the work. If you like protest on this one, more not use on sense so. But there is a bomb of balance. I bet Mona do it to share this video. It will help us. This courtesy, this kidnapping issue. Police, they go use and build duplex, not be even down house again. I believe, say man, if you be courteous, they search your phone, say you don't fake bad person. You go really go for it. Not be person because he did something. Not be everybody when did something. Be nuisance inside the thing where they did. Not be everybody not get sense inside. Not be because you just search person for, you just see and say na Curtis, you start to be threatening her because our governor now don't pass on to law say if you be Curtis, you go prison. Inside that police, I will say 70% or 60% of policemen join something for this Nigeria. Join something for this Nigeria. I belong, and I don't see where police they can't join us. You understand? Me, I don't see where police they can't join us. So, if you be policeman, try to see they apply wisdom. This country not really easy for anybody. Not be you just see person because government don't pass on to law now. You just see him for highway, you just flash his phone, just see and say, man, he don't belong. You just say, man, this one now because he don't be, you want your chop money. Bro, use your sense, man. More apply wisdom. Governor still need to talk into this one. Not be, if you be caught, he say they cash you. They cash you, say you they do bad. I believe say now you take go for it. Say I they do something now on normal ground, I not shoot gun. I can't come my people now, we fly my beret, they do my thing. You want to demolish my place. It's not done that way, not be so. Not be say governor say it day. You understand? Not be so governor say the law take day. If you go do bad or you they plan, they cash you. I believe say so the law, they take person into law. You know if you say because person at this one, you go just send her to prison. No. That government has people they won't join. People they won't their higher position for this Edo State won't join court. I'm not say maybe court now this one. If you join court, you they use on do bad. I make you tag court, say so court na bad thing. For where me they help me. You understand? People they went from there. And they use on get some kind of connect. You won't join say you want to go to buy. If you get the problem, you go face on. You understand? You must not join something say na buy you want to use on buy. I don't see where my own family don't take go do something for police station. You understand? I don't see where my own family don't take go donate things for primary schools. Government see they see those ones. Now if you do bad, they beg you say me you dey on a mission. As a Curtis, you want to go do something. Not because you know they drive, they go just because you don't suspect them. Now Yahoo, you don't see me Yahoo don't come down now as a policeman where you be, you just actually fall. Many don't even want to search Yahoo again. They just tap. Any agbon when they you know they just tap, and if your phone just show they just enter, just confirm and say okay you don't dey. Based on government don't pass on to law, you don't deal with them for police station for cell now or police station now. They call the put up for your body say how far. You know say that they back out this night, cha. If you not do anything, bro, you feel sue them, no level. It not make sense. If they just pass more law now, you start to use all the issue now. People when they collect this money from, they suffer same way you they suffer too. The country not easy for anybody. Nigeria, those state police, I bet more apply wisdom. I'm not saying more not do no job, but more apply wisdom. Not because you just see innocent person, because he belong. You say because government don't pass on to law, now you can't put that threat for everybody say you know say you feel go prison. No. 20-something years old. The person now based on don't do no custody, no that one don't they dread. I mean no you can't tell me. That one now don't they dread. Or because they have you want me you join maybe they are more the first set when they want to go to do the ring road exercise. Fear not doing that one body now. Any money there you can't pay at that moment because I don't they put fear for your body. More apply wisdom, I beg. Court is the police they court. Police they when they court. Police they when they court. So you not see anybody when you work out, you just tap on for a phone say now. When you not see and see gun, you not see and see anything, you just carry on straight to prison. Now so the same one they do the work. If I will protest on this one, more not use no sense so. Because I believe say Okpebholo will not go fit pass on to una say now so it go be. Say if you just catch person and your country send out to prison. If now say you want be prison go full one day, only one day prison go full. Because get the way you go carry people, the rest go come and arrest all of us. More apply wisdom. Peace and love. I'm not using that to say maybe make police not do their work, make me do this video. If you want to do your work, make sure say you they cash, they on a mission. You still see something. Not be you just search your phone, you just start to the enter around like that because you don't pass on to law, say any countries you see. Not be sure they pass on to law. You as a citizen, if you not carry gun, nothing do with you, then one carry they search your phone. On your ground, make they carry you go. Me wanna go court, We do the fear court for this Edo State, for this Nigeria. Anything you see go make you strong. Not the fear to take any move. Even if you don't know the next move, fair just hold your ground. Not the fear to, I don't know, this country more they apply wisdom for anything. Because most of all they take anything as opportunity.